Okay, let me show you one of my favorite post-workout meals. And the reason why I like this is because you can have it directly after the gym. It's super quick to make and it's high in protein. Not only is it quick to make, but if you train late at night, if you want to have a quick bite to eat when you come home that isn't too heavy, you can reduce this recipe and still get some food in, but not disturb your sleep. So let's get into it. So the long and short of what we're making here is scrambled egg and toast. That's what it is. So the ingredients that I have are, tomato, bacon, cheese, eggs, butter, and bread. Now the bread I like to choose is sourdough because the sourdough is much easier on your guts. You'll digest it way better. Let's use a saucepan for this cook. I'm sure you know the trick with measuring out condiments and oils. Very easy to do when you use the weighing scales. Then I'm going to weigh my rashers. I'm actually using 2 rashers here, but I'm going to weigh all my ingredients anyway. Put them in, give them a stir. Then I'm going to add milk to my eggs because I feel adding milk when you're doing kind of a scrambled egg makes the consistency a little bit better. I pegged in a little bit of salt and pepper, and I bet the shit out of the eggs. Then I added in my tomato, gave it a good old stir. Meanwhile, I put the toast on, toasting, and then I pegged the eggs in to make a nice consistency of scramble with bacon and tomato. I weighed my cheese, so let's plate it up and try and make it look pretty. I love using loads of Kerrygold on my bread, but you can decide to use less, more, whatever it is you like. Pop the scramble on top. I'm going to pop the cheese on there as well. I'm also going to put it back in the grill to let it melt a little bit. Now, take a look at that. Isn't that just ridiculous? Now, I know the calories of this meal are quite high, but you can reduce the calories by reducing the cheese, having 1 slice of bread, 1 slice of bacon. It's up to you. Hope you enjoy. Giddy up.